going on? Drive back here. And today, 2 liter of Diet Coke without bourbon. I'm gonna be drinking it, no burp challenge. This is the Diet Coke no burp challenge. I'll be doing that without burping. And chugging this 2 liter bottle of Diet Coke without burping. Oh, this is gonna hurt. Get chugging it without burping. 3, 2, 1, go. It's so hard without burping. Very, very hard. Yeah. That hurts. Oh man, it hurts. Holy crap. Ooh. I'm in pain. Very in pain. Man, I'm sorry I burped. I failed. Peace.